Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is my wagon, and this is probably one of the best wagons I had in a while, right? So, but there's a catch, there's a problem with the joints of this wagon, and I'm not understanding why the manufacturer decided to make the joints plastic and not metal. So, with that said, what I'm about to show you is a crucial part of a wagon's failure. So, with that said, I spend my own money on this wagon. The brand did not sponsor this video, so disclaimer, no one's asked me to make the video. I'm shooting this in 8K, so keep that in mind. Yes, 8K 24 frames, so I'm shooting this in 8K. So, you tell me how the quality looks. Alright, manually controlling everything, but I want to show you where it breaks. You see these joints? This is where it breaks. You see that? Because this is plastic, but this is aluminum. So I was saying to myself, why is this not metal or aluminum, but this is plastic, but this is aluminum? Yeah, and this is plastic, everyone. That doesn't make sense at a design point. The reason why I say that doesn't make sense as a design point is because the joints are supposed to be the strongest points, right? But no, they did the opposite of design this wagon. It's still a good wagon, but what I want to do is I want to see if I can take the joint. You see how these joints, the joint bends? I want to see if I can get metal parts and take the rivets out and put a bolt and a nut instead of a rivet. So if I do need to repair anything in the future, I can always use a bolt and a nut to replace this if it bends or breaks under pressure. But we want to find parts for this particularly, because this particularly needs to be replaced as metal. This must be metal, not plastic. So with that said, everyone, I do like this wagon still. I just think that I need to inform people about wagons on Amazon. They are structurally meant to break. But if you are someone that has a very good skill set of rebuilding a wagon like this and making it better, it is possible to fix these wagons and make them stronger and better. And what I suggest, if you do buy any of these wagons on Amazon, make sure you buy the latest and the best one. And as you can see, these tires did not come with this wagon. I DIY'd this, even though I kept the housing for the original wheel. Keep that in mind, and it did fit. So if you guys want links to these wheels for your wagon, these are 6-inch. So keep that in mind. So make sure your wheels can fit 6-inch, or you have 6-inch wheels, and make sure you have the wide wheel. So yes, but if you do have the thin wheel frame, it may or may not fit. So check the Amazon seller. But with that said, everyone, I'm shooting this in 8K. Keep that in mind. Shooting this in 8K, but this is what I did to my wagon. And I also JB Weld around the soldering. They did a very poor job on the soldering. So I did some DIY, fixing over time. But crucial thing about these wagons is that they do tend to break easily. So you are basically wasting your money on Amazon on these wagons, unless you are someone that is in auto mechanics, that does a lot of house repairs, that know how to fix things. Dude, this wagon can last you longer. So if I was someone, I suggest maybe building up a skill set and learn how to fix things. And as you, mind you, had this wagon since November of 2023. So yeah, December 2nd, 2023. So just to be exact. So we're trying to see how long this wagon lasts. And yeah, it did break within in the 6-month period. But this is unacceptable. This should not be a thing. This should have been metal, not plastic. So with that said, everyone, But also, I would like to see better frame structure for the wheel, like a much thicker column to support weight and heavy weight instead of a skinny column, because those tend to break and bend. As you can see, mine is bent. You can see it's bent. So, plug. I am using the Maven filters to make this video, everyone. So, disclaimer. I am using a polarizer and a 3-stop with a splash filter. So, not sponsored by Maven Filters, but Maven Filters send me these filters to make videos like this in 4K 24 using proper filters to, shoot video properly. But with that said, thank you Maven Filters for sending out these filters to make this video. But I just want to make an update on this wagon. And as you can see, what I did to the handle, it's like taped it so it doesn't like break. You see how? Yeah, but it's still sliced out. If I force it, let's see here. Yeah, the handle needs improvement, as you can see. Once the locking mechanism gets stuck, that's it. It's kind of hard to take up and down. So take it with a grain of salt. I think it should be better handles for these kind of wagons, especially if they support, they claim 300 to 400 pounds. If they do support that kind of weight, don't you think it needs a better handle than this? I think so. But with that said, everyone, I just want to show you guys in real time, in 8K, that this is my wagon. You see they broke on this side too. This one's the last leg right here, everyone. This one has lasted pretty long time, friend. But as I said, you can see this should have been, this here should have been metal, and this is aluminum. Yeah. So with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for understanding. What do you guys think I should do with this wagon? Should I repair it? Should I get metal parts for it? Should I do a DIY project since we have a storage for this wagon? What should we do with this wagon? Should we repair it properly and put metal joints on it and show this to the manufacturer what they should have done? I think we should. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys want to support that project, listen, there's a Patreon page you guys can join to be members. There's tiers, or there's a PayPal Cash App Venmo to also fund these kind of projects as well. It does help because I kind of want to not buy another wagon and just repair this wagon by replacing all the joints to metal parts. I think it's possible. So if you think it's also possible, I know you know it's possible. I think you know it's possible, but can the Black MacGyver, aka Panda, pull it off? I think I can. I think I can pull it off, everyone. But I still like this wagon, but I do need to, change the bedding for this. Try to find somewhere where I can find a replacement bedding or something like that. I would talk to the seller. Do you guys sell replacement beddings for these things? Because that would be another option for the seller to sell extra beddings for that, just in case the bedding, as you can see, the bedding's getting all worn out and tear it up a little bit. But this bedding lasted way much longer than the previous one wagon we had, just like this one, the black one. Yeah, that one tore apart within days. So, and mind you, it's been months and it's barely tearing yet. It's barely tearing. So take that with a grain of salt. But with that said, everyone, let me know what you guys think what I should do with this wagon. I do want to keep it. I do want to make sure, but the problem is it doesn't fold anymore. So what we should do is buy a new one and DIY that one. Yeah, because we do need the extra legs because these legs are bending. So we kind of need some parts. So with that said, everyone, let me know in the comments and talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.